Good day everyone, it's me again, Lingayen. You can call me Dar, it's DHAR, and you are watching The Reality! And for today's vlog, we are now at the Lingayen Baywalk, Pangasinan to visit the newest cafe in front of the beach. This is the Naro Cafe. Para sa akin, perfect na perfect yung pagpunta namin dito sa Naro Cafe because umuulan. It's raining outside. And as a tropical person, I really love rain. At sa mga nagtatanong kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng Naro, I strongly believe that it came from the Pangasinan word inaro, in Tagalog, minamahal or love. Aww. And now let's talk about the place. The ambience is good. The aesthetic of the designs are very 5-star for me. And to mention, I really love the umbrella tree inside the cafe. It's giving. Ito talaga yung nagbigay ng ngiti sa akin. Diverse, equality. Happy Pride, everyone! From Kalasyaw ay sinadya talaga namin ng Lingayen, Pangasinan to celebrate Mom Donna's birthday. And to make it special, nag-order kami ng 2 slices of cakes. Ayan! Andyan din ang nachos. Of course, may clubhouse. At hindi mawawala ang pansit, pampahaba ng buhay. Ayan, feel na feel ni Ma'am Do magpa-picture para sa kanyang birthday pictorial. May birthday pictorial. Happy birthday, Ma'am Do! Good job! For health, good health, and happy life. Yes.
Long-lasting friendship.
Long-lasting friendship. Next. Kitang-kita naman sa mga pictures namin ni Ma'am Donna and Ma'am Diane na sobrang nag-enjoy kami talaga sa place ng Naro Cafe. Aesthetic po, ulit-ulit kong sinasabi. The foods are masarap and delicious, tinagalog ko lang, in English ko lang. The drinks are so good and refreshing, grabe. And the service, I will give the service a 4 out of 5 stars. Grabe, very accommodating, very kind, and sobrang maayos ng pakitungo nila sa amin. And sobrang mahalaga yun para sa amin. And for that, babalik kami dito na mas madami ang kasama.